The Jacksonville Police Department has issued an immediate evacuation order for the entire city of Jacksonville. To evacuate, tie a white towel to your mailbox, grab supplies such as food and water to last 7 days, phones, phone chargers, a battery-powered radio, batteries chargers. Alligators have been seen breaking into people's homes and killing everyone in the home. This concludes all operations under the Florida State Alert System.
"911, what's your emergency?"
One of the alligators broke into my home.
"Do you have a gun or any other weapon?"
Yes, I do.
"Can you go get it?"
The alligator is dead, thank you.
The Brunswick Police Department has issued a law enforcement warning. The alligators that were in Florida are now in Georgia. Shelter in place. For more information, go to www.georgia.gov/alligator-attacks. This concludes this operation under the Georgia State Emergency Alert System. This is a national alert requested by the White House. The alligators are all over the United States. This broadcast will quiet for your safety. The alligators have been terminated. This concludes all operations under the Georgia State Emergency Alert System.